Welcome to all the aspirants and viewers. Learn on wildlife and biodiversity is vital to the survival of human race and importance of wildlife protection and conservation. I am offering a course on wildlife and its conservation. It starts with full of information on scope, importance, values of wildlife, wildlife education, research, wildlife status, wildlife corridors, impact of wildlife trade, wildlife protected areas network and wildlife census in India. It also includes biodiversity, mega biodiversity centers, biodiversity hotspots, heritage centers and biodiversity mapping as well as prospecting and biodiversity indices. The course will look at the role of legislation for wildlife and biodiversity protection acts, ex situ and in situ conservation measures, wild animal projects and the role of NGOs, research institutes in India and abroad. The course can enable interested personnel to benefit with the valuable resources on wildlife and biodiversity in India and other parts of the globe. The learning outcomes and other details are given in the poster. The course starts in the month of July 26 and I request you to enroll immediately for this course. Thank you.